Hello, everyone, and welcome to STENO 24. Well, it used to be STENO 24 Sandra, except it is now Sandra's stenography and shorthand dictations. Bam! I'm gonna make it real simple for people to be able to find this channel, because I've had someone tell me that the 24/7, that's not so good, so I changed the channel name, but it's still the same channel. So be sure to tell all your friends that it is now Sandra's stenography. If they can just remember Sandra's stenography, they don't even have to remember and shorthand. It's just trying to cover the basics. So the total name of this channel is Sandra's Stenography Shorthand and Shorthand Court Reporting Dictations. Now you tell me I ain't covered everybody. I think Mama has covered everybody. Yes, she has. So thank you so much for coming to this channel today. Don't forget to share. Leave me a comment in the comment section right below the video. And don't forget to rate this video. I notice you guys have not been rating the videos. And when you guys don't rate the videos, that makes Sandra not want to put out no videos. So please make sure that you rate every video that you watch. It is important for me on this channel and my analytics. And it is also important that I know that I am engaging with you, that you like what I'm doing. Come on, man. That's just common sense. So enough begging and pleading for you guys to do what you do. And I now am going to do what I do. Southern style from Florida. So don't mind the accent, child. Anyway, today we are doing selection number 27, reply to appeal for probation, 692 words, and we are now at 100 words per minute. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's write. In this case, your counsel has made a very excellent plea in your behalf. I know you are sincere, just as he was sincere when he presented your matter and in asking for probation. I am also favorably impressed with the attitude of some of the complaining witnesses here and the presentation that the public defender has made. However, this is not the type of case that the court feels comes within the category of a probation case. You are a lawyer, and as such an officer of the court. As an officer of the court, you hold a position of trust and confidence by virtue of licensing by the Supreme Court to practice your profession. You knew the difference between right and wrong, and apparently you did not have the will to follow the dictates of conscience that the Lord gave you and resist that temptation. There were probably many times over the period of the last 10 or 12 years when you had occasion to reflect on what you were doing and on the trust and responsibilities with which you were vested. It is a fact that we do err, and it is a fact that a man is tempted to commit offenses against himself and others, but not all of us repeat some of the offenses over so long a period of our lives, and to the end of depriving other people of the right to their property. That you sought out your confessor sought advice from him, and followed that advice to achieve peace with God, is something that all of us would be happy to be able to say. However, confessing your guilt to the Lord is only one aspect of it, and the court is still left with a duty to perform, a duty that the court is obligated to perform. The court is obligated to do all we can that is fair and just to the people of the state of Illinois, and in justice to the complaining witnesses and to the defendant in this case. The court feels that obligation to society as well as to you. With respect to the offenses brought forth here, you have presented practically no defense. The court would like to accede to the request of your counsel and put you on probation. It might be that your frank confession and your efforts in cleaning up your offenses is your defense. However, you have an obligation to society as well as to yourself in this case. In indictment number 59-291, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10. In indictment number 59-292, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10, and to run concurrently with case number 291. In indictment number 59-293, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10, and to run concurrently with cases 291 and 292. In indictment number 59-294, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10 years, which sentence will run concurrently with cases 291, 292, and 293. And in indictment number 59-295, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10 years, which sentence will run concurrently with cases 291, 292, 293, and 294. If the parole board sees evidence of your rehabilitation, you will undoubtedly have such consideration as the case permits. I do hope that they permit you to go out under supervision for a period. However, you will not forget what you said here today about trying to make restitution. That is the sentence of the court. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the to rate this video before you leave, and don't forget to share and leave your comments at the bottom. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful evening and happy writing. And if you're still in the writing mood, and you did that very well, I've got 120 and 140 coming up for you at I think it's scheduled for 5 o'clock on Eastern time. And it's 4:43 now. So in a few minutes, that'll be coming up, and you can join me there. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful evening and happy writing, everyone.